Hello, and welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel, Research AI Tools. Today's video is based on Perplexity AI, the future of research. In my opinion, Perplexity AI is one of the most efficient AI tools for research and knowledge discovery. It specializes in providing accurate, real time answers with cited sources, making it perfect for students, researchers, and professionals. Instead of just generating the text, it helps you find reliable information faster and smarter. We use Perplexity AI to get fast and accurate answers, with sources making research and learning much easier. It is one of my personal favorite tool. Please have a look. It combines artificial intelligence with real-time web search to deliver detailed and reliable information. Since Perplexity AI is a powerful and feature-rich tool, I'll be making a second video very soon to explore it in more detail. So stay tuned on my channel at Research AI Tools. Now let's go straight to the website. So here you can see the URL, that is perplexity.ai, and you can easily reach out to this website using either Google or direct URL. Once you get to this website, you can see that there are plenty of options available over here and over here as well. So we would be exploring these options in one to two more detailed videos. But let's start with the basic search, that is brain tumor segmentation using YOLO V12. Now, YOLO V12 is an advanced object recognition technique. So I want to have a detailed information about YOLO V12 and whether there is a research regarding brain tumor segmentation using YOLO V12. Now, the first thing that you may witness in detail is that if we want to have a detailed tutorials regarding any research, we have to go to specific tutorial-based websites like YouTube, Udemy, or Coursera in order to get the videos related to a particular search query. But here you can see that Perplexity is such an all-rounder tool that it has given you the videos, a short summary, the applications, and couple of basic table entries, which is summarizing the comparison between YOLO V12 and the earlier YOLO versions. So you don't have to enter the detailed queries in order to get to specific results. It is giving you summary of almost everything related to videos, the summary, key applications, a short table, and the implementation right then and there. So again, in order to utilize a certain object recognition technique, most of the researchers will agree that the first and foremost thing to work on is the data set. And the Kaggle data sets are very much in demand when we are talking about the pattern recognition and computer vision based research areas. So you can see that the data set and resources are already available over here as well. So if you are looking to generate a very short summary regarding any search query, then Perplexity is your answer. And if you are looking to go into the detailed and deep search, then again you can always go to the to the video based or the pictorial based tutorials right from here. And once you click over here, this is one. These are a couple of videos that Perplexity has shortlisted for you to have a look. And from there, you can always go into the details. So let's go straight to the answer as well. And once I go to the answer, then I have a couple of more entries. And one very interesting thing is that it is telling me that there are a couple of follow-up questions as well. So again, if you have not pinpointed your query regarding perplexity, then it is telling you that you could also have a search on datasets for training YOLO V12 on brain tumors or YOLO V12 versus YOLO V11, the last two state of the art versions of YOLO. So let's click on that. And again, it is comparing the YOLOs, that is the previous two versions, one by one, and it is giving you specific answers. So again, both YOLO V11 and YOLO V12 are pretty recent, and so it is comparing both of them in terms of precision, recall, F1 score, and MAP. So if anyone is also related to this object recognition area, so these are the matrices that are what we are looking for. And once I have this, it will allow me to have a research gap in a very precise manner. So with this, I have given basic information regarding Perplexity AI, but there is so much more to it, and I will be discussing a lot more detailed topics in my upcoming videos. So for today's video, this is pretty much it. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you very much.